Hey there, thanks for watching my Mints review by Adetunji, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy that they want you to use, and all of the problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Mints promises us. They're the world's #1 landing page and website builder, and they just launched today, so there's no way they can already be the world's #1. You're going to build gorgeous websites, high converting funnels, landing pages, sales pages in any niche in 60 seconds. There's no hosting required, no coding, designing required. Create unlimited pages and funnels, commercial license included, and fully mobile friendly. Well, guys, I know upsell #1 is actually the unlimited package, so there is no way that for $17 in the front end, they are going to allow you to create unlimited pages, so there will be some limitations in the front end. Down at the end, you can tell they just threw in 2 more bullet points about selling websites and making websites for clients. This is not going to be the program that you want to do that with. If we scroll down a little bit further where they talk about that, the actual screenshots that they show you are not templates that you can even choose in this program. So that doesn't even match Mints. And I always like to look at the testimonials. So if we look at this testimonial by John Max, he said Mint is the #1 business pack. But if we look at Daniel's last product that he launched called Mingle on July 31st, on that sales page, John Max also said Mingle is the #1 business pack. Helps you kickstart, grow, or scale your business. And here he says that Mint is the #1. Kickstart, grow, scale your business. Mingle team has put together no marketer would have the courage to do because they want to milk you of every penny. Mint team has put together what no marketer would have the courage to do because they want to milk you of every penny. So they're just reusing these testimonials. I don't believe them at all. Here we are in the Mints dashboard. Now, as soon as I came in here, I realized that I had seen this before. I have done a review on Magic by Billy Darr. If you guys want to check that out, feel free. But if we look, they have training, dashboard, offers, money pages, which are all exactly the same. And if I try to leave, they just bounce just like these on Mints. So training, dashboard, offers, page builder. There's a few differences down at the bottom, but this is just the same product, relaunched in some different colors. I also did a review on a product called Vertex. We actually purchased this product. It was very similar to Magic, but when I tried to log in, it is no longer working. I cannot visit the page right now. If I had my business set up on this after I bought it, I would not be able to make any money right now. And that is one of the dangers you have with a one-time payment fee for an autoresponder or a page builder like this. They can become unsupported and you lose everything. If we try to go to the training, there is no training in this product. So it definitely does not hit the 5 components of good affiliate marketing training that you will find linked above. The strategy that Mints is trying to get you to use is to choose an offer from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank Deals. They want you to use the sales pages to determine if you want to promote that product or not. And if you've seen any of my reviews, including this one, we do not trust sales pages. So please do more research than that. They're also giving you an option to grab your deal or get your affiliate link, but they do not promise you that you will be approved. Oftentimes with products from Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you do have to request approval from the vendor. You will then have to wait for approval, and oftentimes if you don't get approved, they don't tell you and you just continue to wait. That's why they try to give you ClickBank down here, but they don't tell you about another cool program out called Digistore 24, which has great starter and high ticket affiliate products to promote. So be sure to check that video out, linked above. Once you get your affiliate link, they want you to build a landing page, opt-in page, and thank you page, or any of these other pages around that affiliate link. And then they want you to send it out in one of 3 ways. Before we talk about that, let's look at one of the pages. Here on the opt-in pages, they do give you templates to choose from. Again, after seeing this product over and over again, these templates are not new. They have been reused over and over again. If we choose one, you do have the option to come in here and edit this. It is a drag and drop format, and I have no doubt that once the training comes, they will go over each and every one of these buttons with you, if not just to tell you the name. Up on the top, you have the option to choose your view. If you guys are familiar with the 9 affiliate marketing strategies for beginners that I have linked above, you will know that you always need to think mobile first. So if we take a look at this from a mobile view, it does not look great. This opt-in box is cut in half and it's just not attractive. They also give you a chance to connect an autoresponder, MailChimp, GetResponse, SendLane, and ActiveCampaign. If you guys stick with me, we're going to go over this in just a second when we get to the traffic section. You do have the option to download, and once you do, it will go into your saved pages. And I don't see any problems per se with the page builder, except that everybody else has those templates, so that will look the same unless you come in here and spend quite a bit of time editing it and adjusting it to make it unique. And for some reason, your saved pages are in reports. But if we take a look at one of these, I see no GDPR boxes down here, so you will need to make sure that you do that. I see a privacy policy. You'll need to make sure you go in and do that, and any affiliate disclaimers. Be sure you know the rules and regulations of obtaining personal information in any of the areas that you work. Next, we'll talk about the 3 ways that they want you to get quote unquote traffic. First, if we look at traffic sources, this is the usual social media sharing options that they always tell you is their traffic sources. If you were to make a landing page, thank you page, and opt-in page, and you sent them to your current existing list on Facebook, who would see that? Would that be your friends and family, or would that be a group of people that trust you and follow your advice and will buy a product that you promote? Same thing with WhatsApp, Twitter. I don't know why they have Nextdoor here. I'm not sure I would send an affiliate offer to all of my neighbors. And some of these just don't even make sense, or they're outdated. But there is no new traffic coming your way. You just send this out to whoever is already on your lists. Next, they give you the option for an SMS campaign. First of all, you would need to come in and set up your API settings. You will need a Twilio, a Plivo, a Clickatel, or a Nexmo for this to work. If we look at Plivo and their pricing, this is going to be an extra cost that they did not tell you about. You can see this is the charge for the United States. If you're doing business in the United Kingdom, there is a different price. And if you're doing business in India, there's yet a different price. And some stuff is not supported. So you will have to purchase Plivo, Twilio, Clickatel, Nexmo account to get an SMS campaign started. In SMS, you will also need phone numbers. Do you already have lists of phone numbers of people to send this to who are willing to buy from you? Because if you do not, you will not get any extra traffic from this SMS campaign. They do give you the option for campaigns, templates, and a sequence, but they don't tell you what to do with this sequence. If we look at email campaign, here they give you different autoresponder options, such as Mandrill, SendGrid, and Mailgun. Again, all of these will be a charge. They give you the option for a campaign, a template, and a sequence campaign. They never tell you why you need a sequence or what it's going to do. Let's say you bought this product. You did make a landing, an opt-in, and a thank you page. You got all of that together and did send it out on one of these 3 options, and they did not buy. So now you have their email address and they have not bought anything from you. Do you know what to do with that email address next? Because that's an email sequence. Here, when we were designing our opt-in page, they did give us a GetResponse option. If we take a look at their website and some of their features, if you already have a GetResponse account, you can already make landing pages. If you would like a GetResponse account, feel free to use our link in the description below. They give you helpful information around marketing automation, sequencing, their support, blogs, and help centers, resources at all times. They do have a free trial for 30 days. After that, it is a monthly fee. You can choose to pay monthly, yearly, or every 2 years, and that will change your price. But if you guys don't have a budget for that, there is a free option called AWeber. If we look at some of AWeber's features, they also talk to you about automations, segmentations, tagging. Now, if you need training on why to do it, when to do it, and how to do it, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to get the step-by-step training that we used to start our first email automations. On their pricing, you can see 0 to 500 subscribers is free. That also comes with landing pages and unlimited landing pages. If you guys are interested in AWeber, feel free to use our link below in the description. And guys, as an affiliate marketer, you will need an autoresponder. This is like if you go into an office every day and you turn the lights on, you have to pay your electricity bill. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you will need an autoresponder. Under $20 a month for either one of these plans is definitely something that is a necessary business expense for you to start building relationships with the leads that you do get, and those will eventually turn into sales. Let's take a look at the pricing for mints. On the front end, it's going to be $19 unless you find a coupon for it. There are going to be limitations because upsell number 1 is the unlimited version at $39. You can see there are a total of 7 upsells. Once you get to upsell number 6, you actually do buy the license rights, which most of these products offer. And as familiar as this product looks to Magic, how do we know he didn't just buy the license rights to Magic and repackage it as mints? All total, your mints price is going to come to $683 for a product that you don't even need because you can get it for free. Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on mints. This sales page is full of promises that they never intend to keep. Again, it can't be the world's number 1 when it just launched today. It tells you you can create unlimited pages and funnels, but not for the $17 price that they advertise. That will be an upsell. Templates they give you aren't original, and they've been used over and over again. Guys, if you are looking for free, honest training to learn ethical ways to make money online, or to learn how to properly put together an email automation sequence, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to learn how we first made our email sequences. If you found value in this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.